In this video, we're going to learn how you can use the Cat Gatekeeper extension in Google Chrome to pause or stop the addiction in your favorite websites. Firstly, go to the link in description. It will bring you the Cat Gatekeeper extension in Chrome Web Store. Click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension. So once it has been added, right click on the cat icon on the top and then go to Pin. So now it's been pinned. You can easily access it anytime by clicking on this cat icon at the top. It's very easy to set up and configure. You can see the time, that is minutes before the cat appears. It's 30 minutes by default. It means after every 30 minutes a cat will appear on your screen to stop you from scrolling on the websites. And this is the break time, that is 5 minutes. It means that the cat will stay on your screen for 5 minutes. And there's an option to make the cat visible or not. So we have the option to target the sites where the Cat Gatekeeper extension will be active. All of the major social media platforms are included here by default. If you want to add any more, you can just go and enter here any of the websites. For example, Facebook. Once you've done the settings, click on save. Now it's been saved. To test it, I'm gonna set the minutes here to 1 and save here. Now we can go to Facebook and check if this works. The cat is gonna appear soon. As you can see, the cat appears here to block you from using the website. That is the target site. Now you will not be able to use the websites that's targeted there. So that's how you can use the Cat Gatekeeper extension. It's simple, and let's set it back to 30 minutes. That's the default, and save. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel.